Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be doing frequently asked questions segment 20. Alright, so let's get into this. You know how we do this. If you don't, then you're about to find out. So in this video I go through, we find people asking questions in our comment section on our videos, and I try to answer them for you personally. No, I don't know everything, but I do try to share the knowledge that I do know. So let's get into this. First, we have Ike Creamer. Rapid fire question: 2 Sundown Audio XV315s, MechMan 400, Big 3 stock battery under the hood. I want to get the JP63. How much power do I need? My budget can get the amp and maybe one battery, but what size? I'm stuck. So I would personally go with the, if you're getting the JP63 or any amplifiers, a 6,000 to 8,000 watt amp, you'd be best off going with deleting your underhood battery and getting a Down for Sound JP40 lithium battery in the back. You could get away with just having that battery. You don't need any other batteries or anything else. The JP40 will do you great for your system. All right, next up we have Lucky EJ8. Rapid fire question: hey JP, what is the lowest impedance I can strap two JP33s together? This is a kind of proceed with caution type of thing. If you buy the half-ohm warranties, you could go a little bit lower, but you don't want to be, normally you don't want to be less than 1 ohm. So I'm not going to recommend that to anybody, because people will be like, oh, he said that we could go like half ohm, so we'll just go a little bit lower. We'll just go a little bit lower. And every time that happens, you know what happens. People are going to end up blowing up their amp like, I saw your YouTube video and I thought I could go a little bit more, but I blew up both my amps. So anyway, read the owner's manual. Don't go too low on the amplifiers. If you're going to be going a little bit lower, be sure to purchase the half-ohm warranty option. It'll be good for you. So that's going to be the answer to your question. Next up, we have Eric Valencia. I recently ordered 4 8-inch Sundown XV3s from you. Thanks for the fast shipping. Got them in 2 days. Thank you for the shout out on that. My question is, what electrical and amps would you recommend to power these subs along with 4 DefBont 6.5s, 300 watts RMS with 2 tweeters? So a perfect amplifier to power the 4 XV3s, well, I don't know what ohm load they are. Let's assume that you got 2 ohm, so you would have 4 subs that are 2 ohm. You'll be able to wire all those to a 1 ohm load. So I would recommend at least a Down for Sound JP33, or if you want to run a Sundown amp, you can do a Salt 3, and that'll give you nice RMS power on the subs. If you want to get them moving like they want to be moving, get the JP43 or a Salt 4 amplifier. This will get those subs moving like they need to be. And as far as your DefBont 6.5s, I would go with the JP234 4-channel. It would be perfect for your mids and highs. So that would be my recommendation on that. Next up, Samuela Pohiva. Man, sorry, I'm from Mississippi. Do you recommend a JP83 amp to hook up with 2 18-inch Sundown Nightshade V5, or another amplifier is needed? The JP83 would be awesome for those. You already got it all figured out, so make sure you got your electrical up to par. The JP83 will do you right on your setup for sure. Then we have Basin Out. I am planning for 2 DefBont 15s on a AAB 4900. Would an excess power D3100 and a MechMan 240 amp alternator be enough electrical? Much love, thank you. I do think that will be pretty good if you do a D3100 in the back in addition to your underhood battery. So both of those will do good for you, so yes. Appreciate you guys joining me in another frequently asked questions segment. I actually enjoy these because I get to interact with you guys more. So again, if you have any questions pertaining to car audio, drop them in the comment section below and we'll do our best to see them and answer them for you on a live video sometime in the future. And you always get your 5 or 10 seconds of fame over here with your name on my YouTube channel with your question. So appreciate you. And don't forget about the Down for Sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. And we have 4 different types of same as cash financing on the website under the financing tab. So be sure to check that out. And until next time, we're out. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.